Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Did you tell me your name and what's in here?
Howard Smith. We got two ZVX 18s on a DDM5.
Nice.
You remember the box that was the 215s and the 212s and the 115s?
Yeah.
That was in this truck.
Oh, okay. And then you changed it from the countertop build box to this.
And lithium.
I'm
Yes.
gonna take this out and go B-pillar.
B-pillar? Oh, so you're gonna actually go take your seats out and add it here.
Yep.
Nice. What's your tunings on this?
It's 42 hertz.
42. Okay.
It's a 440.
So that's what it likes, the 42. Okay. What's making you want to go B-pillar?
I want more.
More? Wanted more than the louder? Yeah.
More, yeah.
So then I'm guessing you're gonna double your cone area then.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put two 18s and then if I can find another M5,
Okay.
put another M5.
Yes, sir. Can I see the amps and stuff in the back? Awesome. Oh yeah. Nice. I'm sure at nighttime this looks really good. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. I'm sure at nighttime this looks really good. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. And this is right now ran at 1 ohm?
It's wired at a half.
Half ohm, okay. Okay. And you got a fan running in and out? Or both in?
With it both blowing in.
Oh, okay. It's pretty cool.
It kind of, I think it kind of keeps the air underneath the amp.
Yes, sir. And what are these? I've seen these sometimes. Are they like a...
The amp isolators I got
Oh.
from DB Works.
Okay.
I don't think they sell them anymore though.
Yeah, they're rare to find, but they're pretty cool. I like it.
They work.
Yeah, they work. Oh, yeah. It's because of the way the vibration resistant. Awesome.
We got a couple more.
Yeah, I'll hear them all.
Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Be sure to give Howard a like. This was at the Ruckus and Shale Fayetteville, North Carolina show. Pretty impressive, efficient C-pillar walled 4th order bass bandpass subwoofer system demo today. And was curious about the amplifier. I wasn't sure, but it is an 8,000 watt RMS continuous powered amplifier from Digital Designs, the M5 is what he was saying. And this is a 4th order. It's pretty unique, clever design layout to be able to have the back seats for family vehicle. And then also, of course, the port is between the headrests. So anybody trying to do a dual subsystem or some kind of style C-pillar bandpass enclosure, that's a good idea. And it's a really good musical response. He was playing down into the mid 20 hertz range really well during this demo. And I really like the motor mount setup. So he has the subs inverted for a cooling system and a little bit bigger sealed section. And it looks like it's probably around a 2-to-1 ratio. Didn't really find out all the specs on it, but it was tuned in the low 40 hertz range. And I wanted to see the specs of the subwoofers. These are the ZVX Scar subs. Really beefy motors for the power. They're rated at 1600 watts RMS for the 18-inch. And he has 2 of them. So a really good match after rise and voltage drop, which even though he didn't really have much voltage drop with his big lithium bank and high output alternator, but it definitely got the job done, and I'm sure he's gotten some upgrades since this system. And last thing I have to say is I really like the cooling system of his amplifier rack. So anybody trying to keep your amps cool, that's a good idea to use. So if you haven't already, welcome to the channel, subscribe for our daily videos. This is 8,000 watts on 2 18-inch subs. We're getting to the demo now. And be sure to hit a like and comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive.
knobs. It's pretty good, man.
Yeah.
What's making you want to go B-pillar?
I want more.
More? Wanted more than your louder? Yeah.
More, yeah.
So then I'm guessing you're going to double your cone area then?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put two 18s and then if I can find a M5,
Okay.
put a M5.